There are many myths around cement mix. Let me clear those in the most simplest way. Concrete block strength does not depend on cement quantity. It depends on correct mix design, compaction and curing. If blocks are different, how can the same mix be used? Paver block, cupstone, solid block, hollow blocks all require different kinds of mix design with specific balance of cement. Water cement ratio is a critical. Too much water reduces the strength while too little affects bonding and finish. So precision matters. Base cement cannot compensate poor vibration or mold accuracy. Machine technology plays an equally important role. Without controlled curing, even well-mixed design will not achieve full strength. Concrete block quality is a science, not a guesswork. When correct mix design and machine precision work together, consistency follows.